We are in Castle Rock State Park.
Yes, correct.
How hot is it, James?
It's 93 at this moment.
So what did we decide to do?
We decided to go for a bouldering, hiking, running adventure in the heat wave.
Let's go for a run. Duck!
Luckily we're short. Oh, heat advisory.
We're in a heat advisory?
We're in a heat advisory in the Santa Cruz Mountains.
Are we in the Santa Cruz Mountains?
We're in the along the ridge. Yeah, that's us. That's
Are we on the
where
ridge?
We're on the ridge.
Because I feel like I'm in a fucking oven.
Yeah, that's where we're at.
I feel like a fat sausage in a hot oven. Well, here we are in the thick of it.
We're in the thick of it.
How hot is it now, James?
92 degrees.
A balmy 92. Full sun exposure.
Yep. At least there's a little breeze. A hot breeze, but it's a breeze.
Calgon, take me away. Run the rock face. Things are gonna get a little sketchy.
And it's hotter over here.
So damn hot. Hopefully I don't fall off a cliff. We got some cables we can hold on to so we don't fall off the damn cliff. What do you think?
Nice.
No cable.
Hot, eh?
So hot.
Oh.
More cables. Space log 82225. We're taking a break
We found some shade.
because it's damn near 100 degrees and I feel like I'm gonna die.
It's pretty warm.
But Castle Rock, it's beautiful. If you want to test yourself, come in 100-degree weather. It sucks. It sucks in a good way, but it fucking sucks. What do you think?
It's challenging. It's hot. It's
We got an
hot.
ultra runner right here. She's like, oh, it's kind of hard. She's like, sure thing, fat boy.
No, it is hot. It's really hot. Definitely hot.
All right, we'll let you know if we live. So we're on top of a boulder. I'll show you. Straight down. Look at all that. Not gonna lie, I feel like I was gonna die a few times here. It's blazing hot.
It's hot. Very hot.
Oh, the heat.